welcome to our Spirited Women series, where we put the spotlight on women, trailblazing women who are shattering glass ceilings and achieving great success in their respective industries. I'm Emprezz Golding, and I'm coming to you from the warehouse here in Maypen of National Self-Service Wholesale. And the boss lady in a male-dominated industry is sitting with me in the warehouse. Her name is Anna Liao. How are you, Anna?
I'm fine. It's great having been here with you, Empress. It's
Yes,
a pleasure.
it's a pleasure being here, sipping on a little appetite.
Appleton, right?
Cheers.
Cheers.
And behind the scenes, I can see the trucks coming in. Your staff is working hard. Tell me a little bit about your business, National Self-Service Wholesale. Because most wholesales I go to, it's behind grills, right? I have to shout out, I pass through everybody, I shout out, you up this, you up that. You can just walk through with a trolley here.
Trolley or basket, and you can pick up anything you want in the store.
How long have you been in business?
We've been in business from about 17 years now, me and my husband. And we just try to give the people, the community, good service, the goods at cheap prices, and look after them. Just being there, treating them like they're our family.
So it is a male-dominated industry, isn't it?
Yes.
Sales are run by men, or do
Yeah.
women play a pivotal role in the management of these wholesales?
Normally, the male always run it still, but very behind the male, there's always a woman there that pushing to make sure everything is okay and thing.
Is it a hard business? 17 years serving so many customers, having to deliver the goods at the right price. How hard has it been for you?
It's hard at sometimes because sometimes we can't get the good prices, so we have to try and maintain good prices. Sometimes we can't. We have the customers there. Although sometimes they do have issues, but we have to try, look after them, keep them calm and make them feel nice, everything okay, and make them feel good.
And what about the men that work with you? I see a lot more men here at the wholesale working than women. What is it like working with men in this field?
In this field,
As the boss lady. Because we know sometimes there are different dynamics when you're managing men. Yeah, so tell me about that.
All right. Well, the men we have men in here. We work with us. You have some of them. They don't give us no problems, but you do have some that give us problems now and then still. But when they do give us problems, we know we have to just stand up firm and just say, okay, that's not how to do it. We're going to want it like that, and it have to be done, or it is my way or no other way.
Do you feel that you have to be harder on the men than the women?
No, because remember, everybody is human, so you can't really treat them bad and say, okay, because everybody have feelings. So we just have to know what is right technique, the steps, and the strategy. If you say, all right, we talk to them this way, so them, all right, them just listen to you and they say, all right, what you're talking makes sense now. Let's do our way then, and just.
And you find, so, tell me about the ups and downs of running a business like this, the hard days and the good days. What does it look like?
The hard days is when there's nobody in the store. And say when there's nobody there, can't pay worker, can't pay bills. And say when worker don't get paid, is a grumpy, angry people. Say I am in problem. But the good days are that we have to appreciate the customers coming in and they shop with us, and they spend a little much as they get a little pay, they come and buy what they need. Sometimes they buy a little basket, sometimes they buy a big trolley, or sometimes even a flatbed. So that we appreciate those, say all right, when National is full up, say all right, we can pay the people, bills are all right, and we can even help out the community, because sometimes people in the community, they have help like children they want to send to school, don't have any food to eat on the table, so we just help them. Yeah.
So you give back in the community.
Yes.
What's it like working with your husband? I mean, you guys have to go to bed together, you gotta wake up together, and then you gotta work together. How do you manage that work life? Yeah, how you balance that?
But you know that, sometimes, simmer down. That's when it simmer down, when the food come out nice, them all right. Good Jamaican food.
Simmer down. So tell me about your supplier, J.Wray&Nephew. Tell me about your most popular product here. We're seeing some of the Campari, the Ray&Nephew, Appleton Estate. What do you think is the best seller?
The Magnum, the Campari, the Appleton, and the rum, all of them. Practically all of Ray&Nephew's products, they sell well. I know that people, each the Magnum, they say when they drink the Magnum, they feel very nice.
That's true. I hope you're not sipping while working, Anna.
Me, sometime behind the scenes.
How long are your hours?
Normally we open from 8 to 6. On Saturdays, we open from 7 till 7 in the night. And even like we accommodate, like, do we have people that get paid mountains? We even open on last Sundays from 9 till 2. So we try to accommodate all our customers hours so they can come in, buy, and then they go.
Are you raising a family as well? You have
Yes. I have 4 kids. I have 3 boys, 1 girl.
Oh, that's so interesting. You know, as a boss lady, working these long hours, are there times where you feel like you're not giving your children enough time because of the commitment to work?
Yes. There do times that I feel like I should spend more time with my kids. So what I try to do now, like daytime I'm at work, I make sure I try to when I go home, I try to be around them, see what they're doing, and to be with them, like together, or find out what happened the day, and and then, like Sundays, I try to be with them to give them their full attention, see what they do, and make sure everything is okay.
Do you think any of the children are gonna take on from you and your husband and run this business? Is this a legacy business?
Yes, this will be a legacy if they want it, So, but my big son, my first son, Christopher, he's here with me now.
Yes, I met Christopher earlier.
You met Christopher?
Lovely young man.
He's so nice. And I have my second daughter. She's at school. My third is a son, and my fourth is a son.
So somebody will run the business.
So if when Christopher decide to him have enough and he say, all right, him go do schooling or him go look a wife or something, then
Yes.
then the daughter can come in, or even the third one, he said that he wants to do the business, and he's just 12.
Okay. Teach him early.
Right.
Teach him early. So
Show them that money is hard to get. So you make them come in to say, all right, you have to work hard. Mommy and daddy work hard. You say, yes, I can get
make you can get
where you want.
Legacy. Anna Liao, our boss lady, founder, managing director. What other roles do you play here at National Self-Serve Wholesale in Maypen? Cashier too? You do everything.
We do everything. Do everything. No back down for nothing. Do everything. If one wants to see something to be done, I'm there.
Right. Anna, tell us an achievement that you're most proud of.
Achievement that I'm most proud of is getting the OD. When I heard that I got the OD, I was so elated, excited, and everything. They couldn't contain me.
She said OG or
OD.
She's an OG in the business, 17 years. Order of distinction. The nation gave you that. Tell us about that day.
That day, when I got the news, when I got the news that I got the OD, because that there's a lot of people always, they put into the names to get the OD. So when they called me and tell me that I get the OD, I was said, really? No, sir, it's not me, it's not Anna, maybe somebody else, it's not me get it. But when they tell me it says me, he said, no, sir, I cannot believe, because I always help out persons and people, but I'm the shy type. I prefer behind the scenes. So most people don't really know me, or like maybe my good friends or the people around me will know. But I always try to tend to help people and things, but I never expected nothing in return. So when they said that, I gave the OD because I always help. So I said,
That's beautiful. Must feel good. I'm sure everybody here was so proud of you.
yes.
If we could write your autobiography, what would the title be?
Well, that was a hard one at first. What be in my autobiography? But when I look into myself, I was saying like, family, because I always consider me as a family person, and I I always say that my workers, my customers, and even my friends, I just consider them as a family. So we're just like one big family together.
So the autobiography title for Anna Liao is
Family.
and Legacy, and so many other chapters I can think of just having the conversation with you. What advice would you give female entrepreneurs coming up right now behind you? There are many lessons you've learned. What would be some that you would pass on to them?
Well, one advice I would give them is that be doing a business, that you will get through a lot of obstacles, but when there's sometimes don't get any obstacle, but when you get the obstacles, you have to make sure you don't say, okay, these are big obstacles I can't manage, so I'm going to do it. Just put your mind and say, I have to do it, because once you do it, you will become a business person. And don't give up, because you have nothing, so we pick your go down and feel say, we can't bother with this business anymore. But you just push forward, put your mindset, because it's just all about your mind and your determination to do it.
Yes, it is about the mind. Is there a motto that you live by that somebody else has said, or your own motto that you live by? Following up on the things you just said.
My motto I would always say is that live life to the fullest, because life is short. So say whatever, just enjoy life, enjoy the people around you, enjoy your children, your family, and just live it, because you never know what will happen tomorrow.
That's so true. All right, let's have some fun. What's a fact about you that nobody would guess?
Me?
Yeah.
Me
Yeah.
is like an open book.
Yeah? No, Kimbo? There must be one thing about you or something about you that nobody would expect.
Let me see. Well, I'm a Jamaican. I was born and raised in Jamaica.
In Jamaica, right.
And everybody always believe I'm straight Chinese, but I'm Jamaican. What do you call it? Jamaican Chinese.
Yeah, Jamaican. Born and bred
in Jamaica.
What's the worst misspelling or mispronunciation of your name? Anna Liao.
The Liao or the Anna, because most people call me Hannah.
Oh Lord.
Or the H on it too. And then or Anna K. Or then Leo, then we said Leo, they spell it L-I-L-A-I-O or L-I-O-A, or they always spell it wrong.
And I'm sure they call you Miss Chin.
Yeah.
It's a very Jamaican thing.
It's a very Jamaican.
Your last name is not Chin.
We just laugh and just said, just take the name. Miss Chin. We say, yes, what you want?
Very Jamaican. Did you have a nickname as a child? What's your childhood nickname?
No, I never really have a name. I always have friends around me get nickname. Yeah. But I'm not the lucky one, never get a nickname.
Just Anna.
Just Anna. Or sometimes when I'm in store, they will call me Miss Chin.
What's the last show you binge watched?
Binge watch, I would say Alchemy of Souls.
Yeah?
Yeah, on Netflix.
Like you watch it till 4 a.m., you watch the whole series?
Yeah, we just watch till all, when you just in the movie, just want to know what is happening next.
Yeah.
So they just on your seat, so what is going to happen? So sometimes all 3 o'clock, me just asleep.
And get up for work.
And get up by 6 o'clock to come to work.
I tell you. What 3 words describe you best?
Me? Describe. Let me see.
3 words.
Let me see. I'm kind, shy, and fun.
Yeah, all at the same time.
I'm a foodie also.
You're a foodie.
Yeah.
Well, you talk about simmering down, Mr. Man. We know you're a foodie. All right. Do you have any hidden talents? Dancing, piano, bungee jumper,
No.
Any other hidden talents or skills?
No, I would probably dabble in. I like taking pictures.
Photography.
Yeah, photography.
Yeah,
I like taking pictures of my kids, my family, and even when I go out, like take pictures of the surroundings. Snap, snap, snap. We can't help ourselves.
Yeah, right. If your business could run itself for a year, what would you do in that time?
If my business could run for a year
Without Anna.
without Anna, I would be so elated because me and my family, me and my husband and my kids, we will be traveling around the world.
Yes. I love that.
Why not?
You mentioned that you binge watch till 3 a.m. when you can, but what does a typical Sunday look like for you?
Sunday, normally, look after the breakfast for the kids, spend time with the kids, I stick with the kids like a little tail with them.
You're a great mom
Traveling
and a
around the
great
world.
businesswoman. And we want to thank you for being so spirited.
Why not?
Congratulations on your OD and the contribution that you're making to the less fortunate and to the business world here in Jamaica. As a customer of J.Wray&Nephew, we thank you and so happy to sit with you today.
Thank you, Empress. I'm so happy to have been here with you.
It's a pleasure. So
Yeah.
we've learned some lessons, some life lessons from Anna Liao, who is the founder, the CEO, the boss lady, head cook and bottle washer right here in Bay Pen for the National Self-Service Wholesale, where you can get your trolley, get your basket, walk through, shop, and cash out for the best prices. So let's give it up for Anna.
Yay!
For the series. I'm Emprezz. Until the next time we meet another spirited woman, stay blessed. Cheers.
Cheers.